Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing a eyebrow tutorial. I'm super excited because I haven't done these type of videos in forever, and if you guys know me, I'm super into eyebrows. That's the first thing I do in my face. That's the reason why I don't have any makeup on or nothing like that. So I'm raw and personal, guys. No makeup, no nothing. We're going to begin with this videos just so I can show you guys a new technique of the eyebrows. You know, my eyebrows, I shaved it up a little bit and it looked kind of raggedy, but it's okay because I have the kit right here that I'm going to be using today. I haven't used this ever, so today's going to be the first time I'm going to use it with you guys. And this is the Perfect Eyebrows in Second IMETHOD Beauty, and this is the ultimate brow set. It comes with stencils, it comes with a pomade and a sponge brush, which I actually am super excited because this technique right here is supposed to take like 5 minutes, and knowing me, I like to do my eyebrows super quick and super natural. So we will see how this little product goes. And I also got a 10% off discount code, and I'm gonna link it right here, guys. But you know what, I'm talking too much, and we're going to begin with this eyebrow tutorial because I look like a freaking mess and I need to get this eyebrows done. So if you guys are ready, then let's get into this eyebrow set. I'm going to open this packaging up so you guys can see everything that comes included in this eyebrow kit. This is the O2 color. That's the color that I got, so it's like a dark brown, and I mean, I need a dark brown. Booyah! So this is the little packaging right here, and it comes everything included, even comes with directions. So when you open it up, it has the little directions here. It has 1 all the way to 6 steps how you do your eyebrows. So I'm going to open it up. It comes with the pomade right here, and this is the brow pomade Scalp and Define. This is the brown. This is number 2, the darkest brown, and this will work perfectly for me. Also, what it comes with is the stencils right here. Then it comes with the brush that you specially need for this look right over here, and this is how the brush look. I'm going to open it up because we're going to be using this, and I'm going to show you guys how easy and how simple what they say is supposed to be. So hopefully everything comes easy, and it comes with this right here, this little sponge brush right here, and all you have to do supposedly is grab the pomade color and just dab the color in your eyebrow, and boom, you good to go. And then it comes with this little fully brush right here, and all you gotta do is just brush it, and bada boom and bada bang. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my eyebrow shape, and then we're going to begin with this eyebrow tutorial. But what I did was, it has 8 stencils in here, and all you have to do is match it to your right eyebrow shape. So this one right here is, which one is this one? This is the IMETHOD. This is the number 4. I believe this is number 4. Yes. So this one is number 4, and I believe that this is like the right stencil for my eyebrows. And all you have to do is just match up your eyebrows to this stencil, and to me number 4 is like perfect for my eyebrows. Use the same one for both eyebrows. So what you do is you use it for this one on your left side, and then what you do is then you flip it to your right side. Let's begin with the process. I'm gonna use a headband just so I can put my head back so you guys can see the whole process. I'm gonna use the Fully right here, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up just to have it nice shape. I'm looking down because I'm looking at my mirror. So I'm going to do my right side first so you guys can see how it goes. I'm gonna open up my pomade, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna grab my little sponge here, and I'm just gonna grab the color so it looks like this. I don't know if you guys see, I have all the product in the brush, and I'm going to grab my stencil and I'm going to place it to begin the process. Just grab the color and dab. It's already getting the shape. I don't know if you guys can see that. To me, it looks really, really good. All I have to do is just fix it up a little bit with this little foolie right here. But I'm really, really liking that so far. And it was super easy. So I'm gonna grab the stencil again, and I'm just going to flip it to the other side, and I'm going to do this eyebrow. And I'm gonna grab some more color, just like that, and I'm going to do the other eyebrow. I advise you to clean it before you put it on the other side, because I don't think you want all that excess product. So all I'm gonna do is use a baby wipe to clean it up and then use it on the other side. And now we're going to begin with the other side of the eyebrows. So I'm gonna find the right angle. A little brush. I took it out, and this is how it's looking like right now. But what I'm going to do is now I'm going to use this little brush, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows so it can look a little more put together and in place, just like this. I like that. It's already looking really nice, and I haven't even put the concealer to shape it up. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the back of this Fully brush, and it has like a little flat brush right here, and I'm just going to fix the little product that I haven't really fixed right with the little stencil, and I'm just going to fix it. I'm just going to brush it just like this, and I don't really have to do much. You see that? I'm just doing a little line. But that's it. I'm not really doing much to my eyebrows. All I'm doing is just putting a little, I'm shaping it up a little bit, brushing it. This is how the eyebrows look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use concealer so you guys can see how nice and shaped and defined it is. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer Satin Finish. I'm going to be using this on my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using my CC1 Showstopper Beauty. I'm going to highlight my underneath my brow bone. And now I'm gonna do the top. But already it's giving a nice, beautiful shape. Oh, I love it. It's so natural. I love the color actually too. I love it. It's not the fluffy eyebrows that I usually do wear, but I do enjoy this look. Like, it's beautiful. Perfect. I didn't even blend the concealer yet, and it looks so good. It looks so good, guys. I love it. So all I'm gonna do is use this little fluffy brush right here. Any fluffy brush you can use, and I'm just going to blend the concealer into my skin, so you don't see that extra product. You want everything to look seamlessly and nice. I just love an easy eyebrow. Like, you don't understand, guys. Like, everything else is so much work, but if you can do like something super easy on your eyebrows, why not? Now I'm just going to brush it up so you guys can see. So it looks super natural and just super clean. I'm really loving the eyebrows right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a natural makeup really quickly so you guys can see how my eyebrows look with the makeup on. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is my natural makeup look just for this eyebrow tutorial, and I am obsessed with the eyebrows. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see how obsessed I am with the eyebrows. What do you guys think? comment down below and let me know if you guys do like this eyebrow tutorial. I usually do my eyebrows, I fluff it up, but this eyebrow technique was super easy. Comment down below if you guys like it. I will link the 10% off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys,